Welcome back, students. I am Dr. Priya Premlatha, Assistant Professor in History, Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. In today's session, we will be looking on the class State Human Rights Commission.
Now, a state government may constitute a body to be known as the name of the state followed by Human Rights Commission. Accordingly, the State of Human Rights Commission was constituted in the state of Tamil Nadu on 17/4/1997 in accordance with the powers conferred on the state under Section 21 of the Protection of Human Rights Act of 1993. Constitution of the State Human Rights Commission. The State Human Rights Commission can have a chairperson who has been a Chief Justice of a High Court, one member who is or has been a judge of a High Court, one member who is or has been a district judge in that state, two members to be appointed from persons having knowledge of or practical experiences relating to human rights, a secretary who shall be the chief executive officer of the State Commission and shall exercise such powers and discharge such functions of the State Commission as it may delegate. The headquarters of the State Human Rights Commission shall function from its state's headquarters. Accordingly, Chennai is the headquarters for State Human Rights Commission for Tamil Nadu. The State Human Rights Commission tries to inquire into violation of human rights only in respect of matters relatable to the entries enumerated in List 2 and List 3 in the 7th schedule of the Constitution. It shall not inquire into the matters already being inquired into by the Commission or any other commission, and shall not interfere in the state of Jammu and Kashmir and in respect of matters in relation to which the legislator of that state has the power to make laws had been substituted. Appointment of the members. The members of the State Human Rights Commission are appointed by the Governor on the basis of the recommendations of the committee, consisting of Chief Minister as a chairperson, Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Minister in charge of the Department of Home, Leader of Opposition in the Legislative Assembly, Legislative Council in a state, the Chairman of that council and the Leader of the Opposition in that council. There shall not be a sitting judge of a high court or a sitting district judge shall be appointed except after consultation with the Chief Justice of the High Court of the concerned state. Officers and staff of the State Commission. The state government shall make available to the Commission such police and investigative such staff under an officer not below the rank of an Inspector General of Police and other staff for the functions of the State Commission. The Commission may appoint other administrative, technical, and scientific staff as it may be necessary. Term of office. The chairperson may be in power for 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office or until he attains the age of 70 years. Functions. The main functions of State Human Rights Commission is towards protection and promotion of human rights, to have transparency and autonomy in its function, and receive complaints and regardless of the sources received. It also looks into the petition presented by a victim or on violation of human rights or negligence in the prevention of such violation by the public servant. It can interfere in any proceedings involving any allegations of violation of human rights before a court with the approval of such court. It can visit any jail or other institution under the state government where persons are detained or lodged for the purpose of treatment, reformation, or protection to the study of living conditions of the inmates and make recommendations. It can review the safeguards provided by the Constitution of India of any law for the time being in force for the protection of human rights and recommend measures for their effective implementation. It can review the factors, including acts of terrorism, against the enjoyment of human rights and recommend appropriate remedial measures. It can also undertake and promote research in the field of human rights and spread human rights literacy and promote awareness. It can also encourage non-governmental organizations and institutions working in the
Hope you enjoy today's learning. Thank you.